Greg from Spring Branch has an AC frustration question.
Well, it's in his 3-year-old, 3,500 square foot, 5-bedroom house.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Greg writes,
Oh,
I could not be more pleased with my house, except I have one bedroom that is freezing in the winter and hot in the summer. It's right at the top of the stairs. As you go up, he says, you can feel a hot, humid zone hit you as you come up there. My builder says it's a balancing issue with the AC. Had them out. They did what they can do. Still have the problem. I mean, I swear, he says, there's a thermal or air infiltration issue. What's your advice, Tom?
Well, I can't tell him if he has a hole in his house and the air's coming in. But I can tell you this. If it's all he can do, his first part of the answer was, yes, there's a balance problem. Second part is, I did all I can do. Okay, that's the part I don't like.
Right.
So we need to hire someone that's a little more skilled. And it's a real skill. You know, we talk about Absolute Comfort Air all the time and how they do all the training and the static air pressure. And they train constantly on this. And they tell me lots of times, especially in the winter, this is their number one call. It's not a new air conditioning system. It's not a service call. It's a unbalanced call. So I would call them and see, they're the best I know. Let's see if they can fix it before you start doing things that probably aren't going to help you.
Just to be clear, you're saying Greg is unbalanced?
I don't know about Greg. Never met Greg.
But his AC for sure.
His AC for sure.
Okay.
I'm not picking on Greg. I'm sure it's cold and it's hot.
Well, we'll help you find your balance. All you have to do is send us a question to HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button, send it in, and we'll answer just like that.